Hey friends, welcome back to Learn and Success. I'm Jenifa. Today's episode is all about pronunciation. Many English learners pronounce some English sounds the wrong way. Because of this, other people may find it hard to understand you. But don't worry, I'm here to help you today. In this episode, you will learn how to pronounce difficult sounds the right way. We will practice words that learners often pronounce incorrectly. You will repeat many words after me for good practice. And at the end, you will take a short quiz. This quiz is based on your suggestions from the comment section. As always, I will speak slowly and clearly. I will use simple words so you can understand me easily. Let's begin. Okay, let's start with two sounds that many learners mix up. These are very small sounds, but they change the meaning of a word. For example, ship and sheep. You can see the difference is very important. The first sound is a short I, like in the word bit or ship. The second sound is a long E, like in the word beat or sheep. Now let's learn how to say both sounds clearly. First, the short sound. This sound is quick and soft. Your mouth is relaxed. Say it gently and don't hold it for too long. Let's say it together slowly. Bit, sit, ship, milk, win, perfect. Let's do a few more. Fill, kick, pick, fish, live good. Now say each word with me again. One more time. Bit, sit, ship, milk, live, great. Now let's try some short sentences. Repeat after me slowly and clearly. I sit on the chair. She saw a big ship. I want to live here. I will pick one card. I drink milk every day. Well done. Now let's try the second sound, the long E sound. This sound is longer. You should smile a little when you say it. Hold the sound and stretch it a bit. Let's say it together slowly. Beat, seed, sheep. Leave, need 5 more words. Feel green, eat now. Some simple sentences. Repeat after me. I will sit in the front seat. That white animal is a sheep. Please don't leave. Let's eat together. Great. Now let's put the two sounds next to each other. Listen carefully and feel the difference. Say it with me. Bit, beat, sit, seat, ship, sheep, live, leave, excellent. Well done. Now let's learn 2 more sounds that many learners pronounce the same way, but they are different. The first sound is a short oo, like in the word pull. The second sound is a long oo, like in the word pool. Let's start with the short one. This sound is short and soft. Your lips are slightly round. You say it quickly. Repeat after me. Pull, full, foot, good. More words. Push, put, should, book. Now repeat again slowly. Pull, full, book. Now let's try some short sentences. Can you pull the door? My bag is full. I stood on his foot. That meal was good. I put the pen in the book. Great. Now let's try the long sound, the long oo. This sound is longer and deeper. You round your lips more and hold the sound. Repeat after me. Pool, fool, boot. 5 more words. Moon room, cool spoon too. Now let's use them in sentences. I jumped into the pool. Don't be a fool. The food is hot. I need new boots. This room feels cool. Excellent. Now listen to both sounds together. Repeat after me. Pull, pool, full, full foot, food, book, boot. Well done. These sounds may look similar when written, but the pronunciation is different. Now you know the difference. Next, let's talk about 2 more sounds that many learners mix up. They are the V sound, like in very, and the W sound, like in west. These sounds are very different in English, but in some languages they sound the same. Let's start with the V sound. To make this sound, put your top teeth on your bottom lip. Blow air and make a sound. You should feel your lip vibrate. Try saying very voice. Now repeat after me. Village van love 7 more words. Video visit voice never over. Now repeat slowly. Love visit voice. Now some simple sentences. This is a very nice place. I love learning English. We will visit my uncle. I heard his voice. Great. Now let's learn the W sound like in West. Round your lips like a small O shape. Do not use your teeth. Repeat after me. West water, more words. Window, what well, wonderful, walk, word, week. Now some short sentences. Open the window. What is your name? Let's go for a walk. I hope we will win. Good job. Now it's time for a short quiz. I will say a word or a sentence. You say the answer out loud. Then I will tell you the correct answer. Ready? Let's go. Question 1. Bit. Is it a short sound or a long sound? Correct. It's a short sound. Question 2. Pool. Is it a short sound or a long sound? Yes, it's a long sound. Now choose the correct one. Video or video? Correct answer, video. Now this word, is it long like sheep or short like ship? Correct. Long like sheep. The word is leave. Excellent work today. You listened, repeated, and improved your pronunciation. Now you know how to say some of the most common English sounds correctly. This is Learn and Success. I'm Jenifa. Practice every day. Speak slowly and clearly, and don't be afraid to repeat. Bye for now.